3D printing has revolutionized manufacturing, medicine, and even art. But beneath its promise lies a shadowy side that few discuss openly. From hidden risks to ethical dilemmas, the technology's rapid growth brings with it a host of new challenges. In this video, we'll uncover the less talked about dangers of 3D printing, exploring how this innovation can be misused, the threats it poses to society, and the urgent questions it raises for our future. Let's begin our journey into the complex world of 3D printing's dark side. One of the most alarming risks is the ability to create weapons using consumer-grade 3D printers. Today, anyone with access to a printer and the right design files can produce firearm parts or dangerous tools at home. This ease of access bypasses traditional regulations and background checks, making it difficult for authorities to control the spread of untraceable weapons. The implications for public safety are profound, as this technology puts power directly into the hands of individuals, for better or worse. Another growing concern is the ease of producing counterfeit and illegal products. With downloadable design files widely available online, anyone can print fake goods, from luxury items to patented components. This not only undermines legitimate businesses, but also fuels piracy and intellectual property theft. The line between authentic and fake becomes increasingly blurred, challenging both consumers and law enforcement in new and complex ways. The automation brought by 3D printing is reshaping the job market, especially in traditional manufacturing and factory roles. As machines take over tasks once performed by humans, many workers face unemployment and uncertainty. While some argue that new jobs will emerge, the transition can be painful and disruptive for entire communities. The challenge lies in balancing technological progress with the need to protect livelihoods and ensure a fair transition for all. 3D printing often relies on plastics and other materials that can be harmful to the environment. The process generates waste, and some printing materials release toxic substances during production. As the technology becomes more widespread, the environmental footprint grows, raising concerns about pollution and sustainability. Addressing these issues requires innovation in materials and responsible disposal practices to minimize long-term damage. The digital nature of 3D printing introduces new cybersecurity risks. Hackers can infiltrate printers or alter design files, resulting in defective or even dangerous products. These vulnerabilities can be exploited for sabotage or theft, affecting both individuals and businesses. As 3D printing becomes more integrated into critical industries, securing these systems is essential to prevent potentially catastrophic outcomes. Bioprinting, which involves creating living tissues or organs, and unrestricted manufacturing capabilities raise profound ethical questions. Who decides what should or shouldn't be printed? The potential for misuse is significant, from cloning body parts to creating controversial or harmful objects. Society must grapple with these dilemmas, balancing innovation with moral responsibility and the need for oversight. Governments around the world are beginning to recognize the need for regulation in the 3D printing space. From tracking the production of weapons to enforcing intellectual property laws, new policies are being discussed and implemented. The challenge is to create rules that protect society without stifling innovation. The future of 3D printing will depend on finding this delicate balance. The rise of 3D printed firearms, often called ghost guns, presents a unique challenge for law enforcement. These weapons lack serial numbers and are nearly impossible to trace, making them attractive to criminals. The ease of sharing blueprints online further complicates efforts to control their distribution. As technology advances, new strategies will be needed to address this growing threat. 3D printing has made it easier than ever to pirate physical goods. With a simple download, anyone can reproduce patented or copyrighted items, from toys to tools. This digital piracy undermines creators and inventors, threatening innovation and economic growth. The challenge for authorities is to keep pace with technology and protect intellectual property in a rapidly changing world. While automation can increase efficiency and lower costs, it also has a human cost. Workers displaced by 3D printing technology may struggle to find new employment, especially in regions dependent on manufacturing. The social impact can be significant, leading to economic instability and increased inequality. Preparing for this shift requires investment in education and retraining programs. Many 3D printers use plastics and resins that release harmful chemicals during printing. These substances can pose health risks to users and contribute to environmental pollution if not disposed of properly. As the industry grows, the development of safer, more sustainable materials will be crucial to minimizing these negative effects. Cyberattacks on 3D printers can have serious consequences. Hackers might alter blueprints to introduce flaws, resulting in unsafe products or even sabotage. As more industries rely on 3D printing for critical components, ensuring cybersecurity becomes a top priority. Regular updates and secure networks are essential defenses against these emerging threats. Bioprinting holds incredible promise for medicine, but it also raises difficult ethical questions. Should we allow the printing of organs, tissues, or even entire organisms? The potential for abuse is real, and society must decide where to draw the line. Ongoing debate and regulation will shape the future of this powerful technology. As we've seen, 3D printing offers both incredible opportunities and serious risks. The key to harnessing its potential lies in responsible innovation, thoughtful regulation, and ongoing public dialogue. By addressing the dark side of 3D printing, we can work toward a future where technology serves society safely and ethically. The conversation is just beginning, and the choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow.